Introduction to List Building. Welcome to the world of list building. In this video, we'll explore the significance of email list building for businesses and individuals alike. Building an email list is like having a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to nurture relationships and drive engagement. By collecting email addresses, you can stay connected with your community, share valuable content, and promote your products or services effectively. An email address is often considered the best way to contact leads because it serves as the one common denominator among all potential leads. Regardless of demographics, social media preferences, or communication habits, most individuals and businesses have an email address. This universality makes email a highly effective and reliable means of reaching out to leads. Email offers several advantages that make it an optimal choice for easy communication. Firstly, email is a direct and personal medium that allows for tailored and targeted messaging. This personalized approach can help establish a connection with leads and nurture relationships over time. Secondly, email is a cost-effective method of communication, especially when compared to traditional methods like direct mail or phone calls. It allows businesses to reach a large audience at a relatively low cost, making it an efficient way to engage with leads. Additionally, email provides a convenient way for leads to respond and engage with the content at their own pace. Leads can easily click on links, reply to messages, or save emails for future reference, providing them with the flexibility to interact on their terms. Overall, the widespread use of email, combined with its personalized, cost-effective, and convenient nature, makes it the best way to contact leads and drive successful lead generation and conversion strategies. List building is a fundamental strategy for growing your online presence and expanding your reach. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or a marketer, mastering the art of list building can elevate your success in the digital landscape. So, why wait? In the next videos, you will find out how to start building your email list today and unlock the full potential of your online presence.